Hello, this is Corey Watson with another review. Today I'm reviewing all these past Transformers figures I haven't reviewed yet. Well, those two right there are not really, they're more like bootlegs. I got the crane and the cement truck from Timu app. I got Decepticon Mohawk from Amazon a couple of months back, and I got Bumblebee pre-ordered this one from Big Bad Toy Store. He's from Transformers Rise of the Beast. So yeah, sorry I been gone for a while. But I'm back now. Now let's take those two out of packaging. I definitely like these two. Very nice. Very excellent. So they both come with accessories. He has his arm cannon and his arm knife, but it's yellow. They could have put some more paint on his weapons, though. That's all. And then we have Mohawk, the very small one. He's also nice. Wanted to get this one when I first heard that it was out. Very nice. His mouth could move. He got some good amount of posability on ball joints and the hinge. And he also comes with his own knife. He also has this little knife that he could use. So yeah, this is Bumblebee's base. He's number 100. From Transformers Rises of Beast. He's the second one figure from that movie series I watched Transformers Rise of the Beast last year. It was pretty awesome. Now, this Bumblebee's design is actually very nice. I like the silver details and everything on him. Also like his head scope. Very nice. He transforms into the first car from the first Transformers movie, but in this version, it's a bit more different. And he transforms into a small motorcycle. Very nice. And then we got these Japanese Transformers, or somewhere in Asia, I think. They have a good amount of posability. They have moving treads, especially like this one. And then we have the dump truck. Very nice. The details on these aren't bad. Now it's time to transform them. But before we do that, we have a sponsor. That's right. I got a sponsor. Brooklyn Autism Bracelets is a store I set up online. We have a great variety of bracelets. We have two types, animal heads and crowns with puzzle piece. The animal heads are $5 each, and the crowns and puzzle pieces are $10 each. They come in a variety of colors. They're very nice and unique. Have a good pattern. I hope you come and see them on our shop at the website. Thank you. Yep, this is nice. This is very nice. Alright, we got these two. Like the face sculpts on them. They have some good amount of posability. Like the last two I got. Not bad. Not bad. Then we have these two in the vehicle modes. Bumblebee and Mohawk. But yeah, this Bumblebee figure is very nice. This new car mode isn't bad. Do miss the original, but this one isn't bad either. I like the grill headlights. Overall, its design is nice. I wish they could have gave the wheels some paint as well. But still not a bad figure. And then we have Mohawk in his motorcycle mode. Not bad either. Wasn't too hard to transform this one. But not bad, not bad. This one reminds me of Mixmaster because he's a dump truck. He's a Decepticon from G1. But this one's different. I hope you like this video. These figures are awesome. I give Bumblebee 8 out of 10. He just needs a little bit more paint in a few areas. Mohawk, 10 out of 10. He's very nice. Been waiting for them to make a Mohawk figure, and they finally delivered. And these two, I give them I say both of them 8 out of 10. They're not too bad. The transformation was a bit difficult, and they had those same weapons just like the last one. But it's still pretty cool looking. Hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, subscribe. See you guys next time.